Today I'll be sharing you one of the easiest strategies you could use to win over 500 on BETWAY. We'll be focusing on the league of English Premier League. I'll be making an example with these two teams, which are Leicester City versus Tottenham. So if we check the last 5 matches of those teams, we can see that on May 23, 2021, Tottenham did win the match 4-2, which the strategy of which we're talking about still applies here. So it leaves that you will be winning that bet. On June 19th, 2022, we can see that Tottenham did win the match against Grade 2. You're still really using the strategy of which I'm sharing now of the over 1.5 second half, which means if any of the blue team scores 2 or no goals the second half, you win your bet. So checking off May 1, 2022, we can see that Tottenham won again 3-1, and you'll still win your bet using a strategy. And on September 17th, 2022, Tottenham won the match again 6-2, which the strategy of which we're talking about, the over 1.5 second half, still applies in here. You'll see you win in the strategy. On February 11th, 2023, you can see that Leicester City won 4-1. This strategy didn't work here because we can see that on the halftime, Leicester did score 3 and Tottenham did score 1. So it means the second half only 1 goal was scored, which means you could lose your bet. But the thing is that checking the last 5 matches, you have the 80% possibility of you winning your bet, because you can see the last 4 matches, the strategy of which I'm sharing did apply, did win. So every time you analyze slips, you have to check the last 5 matches. If you want more strategies of which you could use to win more on BETWAY, you can go on my playlist, subscribe.